Hey guys, my name is Ujjwal Singh and I welcome you here. In this video, we will discuss about if-else statements in Java. So let's start the video by looking at the agenda. So here we have the agenda for the video. First, we'll see the definition of if-else, then we'll see the syntax of if-else, and at last, we'll see an example of if-else statement. So let's start. So guys, in Java, we use if statement to specify a block of a code to be executed if the condition is true, or we print the message under the else statement if the same condition is false. In other words, we test a condition using if statement. If that if statement is true, we print a message. If that is false, it comes under else category and we print the other message. You'll understand this concept in a much better way once you see the syntax and example. So guys, here we have the syntax for the if else statement. First of all, under the if statement we check a certain condition, and if this condition is true, we print the message that is under the if. If this is false, we move to else and we print the other message. Let's quickly go and see an example. So guys, here we have an example of if else statement. This is about an accessing a website where a user gonna input his age. So in this we are not taking input from the user. I have just defined the age here, which is 21. First of all, we'll check the condition in if statement that if age is less than 18, print out the message access denied. Else, if this condition is going to be false, we print the else message which is access granted. Here the result of this is going to be the access granted because the age we have defined here is 21, which is greater than 18, not the less than 18. I hope you will be able to understand this concept. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope I was able to help you to understand this concept. If yes, please like the video and subscribe. You can also leave us a comment if you have any suggestions, would be appreciated. That's all for this. See you in the next. Bye bye.